In this video, we're going to go through how to set up your preferred name, pronunciation, pronouns, and other profile items. So when you're logged into Moodle, if you click on the arrow next to your name in the upper right-hand corner, you can go to Preferences. And that will open up your profile. And then you can go to Edit Profile. And if you scroll down, if you want a preferred name to show in parentheses in the middle, so like if you want to be called your middle name, you can type that in here. So I could type in something there, and then that would show up in parentheses. So that's if you haven't done an official name change. If you keep scrolling down, you can also add a picture here, so you can upload a picture for your profile. If you go to additional names and expand that, you can type in the phonetic spelling of your first name, your last name, and your middle name. And yeah, no, you don't need any of that. And then under pronouns, you can type in your pronouns here. And then you just hit Update Profile. Now, if you want to include a recorded name of your a recorded name pronunciation, then under Description, you're going to click on the Record Audio button right here next to the video. And you're going to say, Start recording. Christy Birch. And then you can listen to it. And then you can attach the recording. So then you can save that by updating the profile. And if you go back and look at the profile, your pronunciation is going to be here. And pronouns will be listed here. And for students in class, for them to be able to read pronouns and hear pronunciations, when you are in a class, you will go over to Participants. So you can direct students to go to Participants, and they'll be able to listen to the pronunciation if they click on a student's name, and they'll also be able to see the pronouns here. So if I click here, then they can click here and listen. So it's that simple, and it's really helpful for faculty to be able to see pronouns here for students. So if you have any questions, let me know, but hopefully that is helpful.